ARKANCE is proud to be Autodesk's first global platinum partner. We have already assisted thousands of customers across Asia-Pacific and North America in smoothly transitioning to Autodesk's new buying experience. Trusted by satisfied customers globally, our expert team can handle all aspects of this transition. Choose ARKANCE as your preferred Autodesk partner. Our global team of over 1,200 people includes nearly 500 service and technical professionals, and our proprietary Be.Smart solutions integrate with Autodesk to maximize the value of your technology stack. Combining Autodesk, Be.Smart, and ARKANCE expert professional services is the best choice to help you get the job done. Remember, after September 16th, the only change in the Autodesk buying process will be an administrative one. You will still start your quote with ARKANCE for solution design and configuration. The final quote will come directly from Autodesk for payment. Finally, be sure that ARKANCE is registered as your agent of record. You will continue to benefit from our globally proven expertise, helping you manage your Autodesk portfolio, licensing needs, and add-on technology and services. Are you ready for the Autodesk new buying experience? Does your company require a vendor setup for Autodesk? This QR code will take you to more information on how to get it done. Are your subscriptions up to date? Renew early or buy new subscriptions now to save money by locking in today's pricing. Control your cash flow with ARKANCE financing where available and increase your productivity with add-ons. And remember, you can always call your ARKANCE representative to discuss your options.